maple species is right within our name, but research in forests is also in that name as well. And so we want to branch out and look at other tree species that are within our forest, like the American beech tree or our birch trees, such as our paper birch, also called the white birch, or our native yellow birch trees. The challenges of tapping beech and birch trees is that the sugar in the sap is really low. In maple, it takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of syrup. But within our birch and also our beech trees, it takes over 100 gallons of sap just to make 1 gallon of syrup. So you may be thinking, if it takes a lot less sap from a maple tree to make maple syrup, why bother tapping these other tree species where it takes 2 to 3 times the amount of sap to make syrup from those trees? Well, with these other tree species, it allows the tree syrup industry to grow and offer a lot new and different products into the marketplace for consumers to enjoy on a whole host of different products. Besides just maple, you can try it on all kinds of different food products. Historically, other tree syrups have not been possible or difficult to produce, but now with new technology such as vacuum pumps that can actually pull the sap from the trees, or reverse osmosis that saves us a huge amount of energy by concentrating the sap, we're able to produce tree syrups from birch and beech trees. By tapping other tree species, we're also not focusing on that monoculture of one individual species within our forests, that we want a healthy, more robust forest that has multiple species within it. We can also utilize some of the same equipment that we do for our maple within our birch or beech or other tree syrup processes. When it comes to the end product, the flavor of different tree syrups all have their own unique characteristic, which makes it exciting. And so when we think about birch syrup, I like to compare birch syrup to a balsamic reduction. And when you think balsamic, you're probably not thinking pancakes and ice cream. Think about salad dressings, marinades, sandwiches, kind of those more savory foods. One of the nice things about tapping other tree species, such as our birch trees, is that the season is kind of after the maple season. It starts in late April and goes into early May. So that allows us to extend our sap collection season and utilize some of the same equipment.